Hi everyone. Today is Monday, 18th of December, first day of the week for Tesla. Uh, the first candle was, I would say, not that strong in my opinion, and it was quite normal that market will go up because this is Monday, first day of the week, and also the entire market is not bad, and there is no specific bad news. So no bad news is a good news, I guess. It was quite obvious that it should touch 259. I was hoping that it will go a little bit above 259, like 260 or 262 within the first 1 hour between 10:30. I was hoping, but it did not touch 259. It actually, the highest point was 258.74. This was the highest for today. So far, it's right now 12:47 p.m. In New York. So far that was the highest point, and at this moment, I do not really see any huge move to cross that highest point today. I think that's the highest point. So we can actually take it like 259. 259 is the new resistance, I guess. And from 259, it actually came quite sharply to 253.70, 253.44. And so it's actually above 253. And right now, I think it's trying to settle above 253. But there is a possibility I see that it can retest 249 or 250. I wouldn't be shocked, honestly, if it retests 250 or 250, no, sorry, 249 even. I see here is a quite a good support right now, and I'm quite sure end of the week or Wednesday or Thursday it should uh, be around 260 again, 260 or 259 probably. If there is no bad news or nothing bad happened really. End of the day, I think it should be between 253-ish to 256 end of the day, probably. I don't really see it will go above 258 again.